Good morning and happy Monday, AP Stats students. I hope that this Monday morning is treating you well. Great first week of distance learning last week, and we look forward to this week and next week to come. And then spring break will be upon us, so that'll be exciting. I'm down here in the bottom right-hand corner. You haven't seen my face in a while. I haven't seen your face either, so I thought I'd put my face on this video. Feel free to upload a video to our Flipgrid just to say hello or to show us what you're doing AP Stats-wise. I'd love to see the work you're doing and completing at home. Just on that note, I'd like to remind you what you should be completing. I'd say about 50% of us have completed their Khan Academy according to the due dates. So those of you who have not completed Khan Academy, please log in and complete those assignments according to the due dates. The due dates are set in there. You could see them on the Khan Academy app or inside your web browser. StatsMedic assignments. Make sure you click our link, and you should attempt to complete Units 2 and 3 by this Friday. This Friday, you should have Units 2 and 3 in StatsMedic complete, as well as Unit 1. So please make sure you have the first 3 units in StatsMedic complete. This is all review, and you should have all of that completed. I should be able to check on that, and if I were to ask you for your responses to the free response questions, you should be able to provide those to me, whether it be through a picture or a scanned PDF. Also, in AP Classroom, please go in and complete those progress checks. They give you a feel for multiple choice questions within the AP platform. And while I'm about to give you some updates on the AP exam, it's good for you to do those multiple choice questions. They are good tests of your ability to decipher what is needed and required statistically given scenarios. So please make sure you do those. If you're not on Remind, I'm assuming you are, but if you're not, please click here and sign up for our AP Statistics Remind. Well, what updates do I have for you? One, obviously you probably don't have a TI Nspire CX like we have in class at home. Most of us don't. But if you'd like to download one for free, just go to the Texas Instruments website. Click Download Now. It's right here, COVID-19 support. Click Download Now, and obviously you're a student, so select Software for Students. And I encourage you to go ahead and download the CX CAS. That's what we've been using in class, even though we don't typically use the CAS aspect of the calculator. That's more for calculus. Download this one. This is what we have in class. There's also additional emulators you can download to your computer. Of course, if you don't want to download that, you can always go to Desmos. Desmos has a scientific calculator, and if you go to desmos.com/calculator, there it is right there, you have the Desmos graphing calculator. So you have some calculators at your disposal to help you complete not only your Khan Academy assignments, but StatsMedic as well as AP Classroom assignments. Now, in regards to AP testing and the AP course in general, I recommend you Google AP COVID-19 update and click this first link here. It's apcentralcollegeboard.org, news and changes here. That gives you an update on the AP exam. I'll give you the short of it. First, there are going to be some videos and remote learning resources uploaded by master AP teachers who know a whole lot more about AP Stat than I do, to be quite honest. Click that link, scroll down to AP Statistics. It's under Math and Computer Science, and there are some sessions that are in development, and it says check back for more information. I recommend checking back by this Wednesday, because I know that there are videos for AP Calculus, AB and BC, as well as Computer Science A, and I believe Computer Science Principles that are going to be starting this Wednesday. So check back at this link this Wednesday, and I believe there will be some videos uploaded for you guys, okay? So just want to make sure you're aware of this. I'll try to send out a remind as soon as I see these uploaded. Wanted you to be aware of this resource that's going to be available to you for free, all right? So also, what about the AP exam? Well, this year's AP exam will be administered from home, right here. The 2019-2020 exam administration only. Students can take a 45-minute online free response exam at home. I'm going to be honest with you, I believe this is going to be the mode of testing for everybody. Educator-led development committees are currently selecting the exam questions that will be administered. You could read this in more detail, but essentially you guys are going to be taking an exam that's probably 4 or so questions, maybe more, maybe less, and it's going to be a 45-minute free response question exam from your web browser at home. So now you say, how do we prepare for that? Well, one, I'm going to be assigning you some free response questions in AP Classroom. Also, I'm going to be posting videos of myself working through free response questions, showing you step by step what you should be looking for and what AP graders are looking for when they grade free response questions. In addition, the AP College Board has uploaded what and deciphered and determined what units will be tested on the exam. Now, while we are going to continue completing chi-squared as well as t-test for slope, those are not going to be included, from what I understand, on the AP Statistics exam. Only units 1 through 7 will be on the exam, and that takes us through t-test inference for means. So all the way from descriptive statistics to inference for means, that's what's going to be covered on the AP exam. Units 8 and 9, chi-squared, test, and t-test for slope, so our revisiting of regression. Those will not be included on the exam, though they will be in the course, and they will be assessed through Khan Academy and through alternate means as we go further through distance learning. The distance learning page, this was all expected to be done by this Friday, unless otherwise stated in Khan Academy. So please be on the lookout, whether it be this Friday or next Monday morning, for additional assignments to be given and assigned to you. I hope this video helps. I hope this video clarifies what our exam is going to look like, as well as what the expectations are. Upload a video to our Flipgrid. I'll send another remind message giving you that link. Upload a video to Flipgrid and say hello, and maybe show us some of the work you've been working on. Talk to you later, stat students.